Hi there, students. A workaround, a countable noun, and also a phrasal verb to work around. Okay, notice a workaround can be one word or it could be hyphenated, but the phrasal verb is definitely two words. Okay, a workaround is a way of dealing with a problem, a way of making it work. Despite the fact that you've got this problem, and you don't solve the problem, you just find a way around it. And this is the workaround. A workaround. So, yeah, I had a problem with the login to this website, but I found a workaround, a way to get around the login without resolving the login problem. This phrase, a workaround, is particularly common in computing and computers. Yeah, because you find a problem and you don't know how to solve it. So you find a temporary way to get around it. And that's the idea. You literally work around it. Yeah. You bypass or circumvent a problem. Yeah. We can't fix this problem now. We haven't got time. We just have to work around it. There you go, as a phrasal verb. Yeah, finding a workaround can sometimes itself be more difficult than actually solving the problem. So, a workaround, a method of dealing with a problem, particularly with a computer program or something like that. Yeah, there's a glitch in the software, but I found a very good workaround. Yeah, so it's a way to overcome a limitation of a system or a program. Yeah, it doesn't have to be for computing. I don't know. The plumber said we had a problem in this area, but he implemented a workaround. He worked around it. He found a way to get around the problem, and that's the idea. So, to work around, to circumvent or to overcome a problem, particularly in a computer program or in a system. Yeah? Huh. Wouldn't it be wonderful to have workarounds for all our problems? Yeah, a workaround. Okay, so you work around the problem. Okay, so a workaround, an alternative solution, going around the problem and not just trying to push your way directly through it. So, as to the origin's very clear, is to work around it. And then as to formality, I would say this word is probably, I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think it's a word that's used in business and computers all the time. Use it, I would say formality, use it anywhere. Yeah. So a workaround, a temporary solution, a way round a problem without actually going through it. So you avoid it. Yeah. A workaround. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A workaround.